Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to backup Telegram chat. So you have to just open the Telegram app on the Android device. So today I will teach you the solution. So there is the Telegram app open. So you have to go to the settings. So there is the settings and you have to click to the data storage. And you have to click to the data storage, not the chat setting. It will be clicked by mistaken and you have to go back and again you have to open the data storage. So make sure the three options of automatic media download it's turn on. Make sure if it turn off, the backup will be not uploaded your Telegram all data history. So make sure these are the three settings are turned on, and you will have to open another device of phone and open the Telegram, so your data will be recovered and you have to see it. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.